These are the beautiful hand-fed Meyers parrots that I've hand-fed since 10 days old. This one obviously just had a bath. Decided to go plunge in the water bowl. They are about 12 weeks old now. They're doing very well. They're all ready for new homes. And in the background you'll notice a white-capped pioneer. That one is 6 months old. Super sweet bird. They all get along very well. This is their tree stand, which has plenty of toys, and they absolutely love this thing. They play on it all day long. This is Sparky. Sparky is a little bit older, but a very young bird, also hand-fed. All these birds are super tame. They're very playful. She's going to jump on the camera right now. Watch. Sparky, come on. See? I know. She loves attention. She'll come jump right up on the camera again as soon as she gets a chance. Sparky! Sparky! I haven't named the other babies. Mainly because I want their owners to name them themselves when they go to a new home. But all these birds are very nice. One just fell, which happens. Hi, sweetie. Hi, you want some attention too? You want some attention too? Yeah. These are very good birds. Come on, Sparky. Come on. They all get along very well with other birds. They've all been raised around other birds. From their siblings to cockatoos to macaws, they've been around them all. Hoping to find these guys home soon.